Good morning to the world and happy Thursday to everyone. And now I'm gonna make a smoothie. So this will be my breakfast. So you must be wondering why I keep making smoothie. You know guys, I'm on diet. So I'm hoping I lose weight. So now I'm gonna start having smoothie in the morning, and in lunch I'm gonna have just like a chapati, like 2 chapatis along with vegetables or along with meat. And in the evening I'm gonna have some salads or grilled chicken or anything light. But I can cheat once in a while, but that's just okay. So anyway, for breakfast I'm gonna make a smoothie. The fruits that we will be using for our smoothie are, again guys, still I haven't washed my bed sheets. It's lying there forever. Anyway, because still sunstorms, so it's so dusty, so I don't want to wash the clothes, and we don't have the dryer because I prefer to dry it in the air, natural air. So okay, anyway, these are the one we require for our smoothie. I have here half cup of avocado. The other half I'm gonna use it for my salad later. I have this is half avocado, not half cup, half avocado. I have here half of cucumber, half of apple, and some of mint leaves. This mint leaves is from my garden, but look at, they are tiny leaves because you know during summer they don't really give a nice big leaves. So actually my mint leaves are dying, so I cannot do anything. So whatever's left, I'm using it. But on winter, very nice big leaves they give. Anyway, and aside from this, we will be using honey. I stopped using sugar. I'm using honey. So this is my honey. So I'm using this. So we have to put everything in the blender. I mean literally everything. You have to put it. Just dump it. Voila, done. And then grind this one. So now everything is in the blender. Now we start making noise now. First we put our honey. I forgot honey. So I'm only putting like half tablespoon because fruits has this natural sugar. It's sweet already. So we don't need so much of honey. Although honey is good for your health, but too much, little in moderation. Too much is not so good. I know honey is good for your health, but then still we should use in moderation. Now we start grinding this. We have to switch on. And then we have to put yogurt. I forgot to tell you guys, we need yogurt. Sorry, I get distracted. So I'm putting about 2 tablespoons of yogurt and grind. And also I'm putting milk, just like 1/4 cup of milk. That's okay. And this now we can put ice cubes. Now it is done. So now we're done with our smoothie. Now we have to transfer it in the glass. Then we put the straw. So voila! So our I call it avocado apple mint with cucumber smoothie. So it's so green, very nice. Actually, you can also add, if you have vanilla ice cream, you can also add even one tablespoon. I have ice cream in the fridge, but it's not vanilla. So anyway, this is very nice and very healthy. Very nice and very healthy. I can really taste the mint in it. I love mint. I taste the mint. It's very good combination. So this is my smoothie, guys. So I hope you enjoy my cold drinks. I hope you enjoy my smoothie today. This is really for the summer. So I hope you liked it. And thank you guys for watching. Until to my next one. Bye!